So today we're going to try out the SLYPOD Pro with the MOZA AIRCROSS 2 gimbal and see if we can make a cool product commercial in combination with both of them. Just as a disclaimer, MOZA sent us the gimbal and the SLYPOD, but they did not ask us to do a review, they did not ask us to do anything, they didn't pay us, so this is just us testing out the two together and see what we can do with it. So what I need to do now is I need to link the SLYPOD Pro and the MOZA AIRCROSS 2 via the app from MOZA, and it's called MOZA Master App. I set 2 waypoints and the speed of the SLYPOD Pro, how fast it should move up and down. You can set as many waypoints as you want. So once you set it up, you just go on Setup Complete and then it will do its magic. So now let's check out how the clip looks like with that nice smooth parallax effect. What I've done now is I set the gimbal to inception mode, so it turns around its axis, as you can see, and we get this really cool twisting kind of effect. So it's up to you essentially how creative you use the SLYPOD Pro. We did find another setup for the SLYPOD Pro. We're going to use it with the low-over probe lens to get a super macro of the ladle of the white wine. And then we're going to have the SLYPOD moving upwards and then just reverse it in post so it goes nice and smoothly downward along the ladle of the white wine. Let's see how it works out. So for this, we're going to use the app of MOZA to move the SLYPOD up and downwards. We set the speed to a 5, which is very slow, so we don't have any camera shake on the probe lens. And yeah, essentially it's just hit record, press upwards, and here we go. Let's see how the clip turned out. You tell me. Don't want to creep you out, but I have the bottle here and we're gonna try to do this lighting effect. We're gonna use the app again and we're gonna have the motion control go up and down. Cool, so let's see how that turned out. Here we're going to use the probe lens and the SLYPOD Pro and pour some wine into the glass. And we're going to have a top-down shot and a movement going down into the glass and then pour the wine in and we're ready to go. Let's check out how the shot looks like. We wrapped up the shoot with the SLYPOD Pro and the MOZA AIRCROSS 2 gimbal. So huge shout out to the guys over at MOZA for sending us these 2 cool pieces of gear. And they're really gonna come in handy for future videos for sure. So stay tuned. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.